Alright, so we're starting with the woman's room, and John is taping everything. Getting ready to paint it. So this is going to go from real gnarly to really nice. So, John, you want to tell us what happened here? Why you got kicked off the project?
My lean paint rolling methodology was rejected, and I was replaced.
Wow.
Now, it looks like this. Get some art on the walls, fresh coat of paint, dispenser's back, new trash can, not nearly as beat up. It's looking nice in here. So now, on to the men's room. This is the bathroom part 1.